Some family plans this weekend to go to the lake. What do you think? I know, I'm putting him on the spot.
What day? Let me ask you that. What
Saturday?
day?
Leave Saturday?
I mean, it is what he gets paid for.
Yeah. Late morning.
No. See,
it's like him asking you, Izzy,
no,
what's
there's
the
a
news
difference.
today?
No.
I don't mean to put you on the spot.
No, that's Pete's job. If Teresa Wood had asked me, I would tell her. But you're just gonna have to listen.
Okay.
Was that firm enough?
Yeah, that's you're channeling your inner Pete.
That's what I'm trying to be like. I'm trying to be authoritative, not the weekend weather boy. All right, so Izzy, I'm going to show you hour by hour, okay? And then we'll talk after the show too, because I love you and I want to really make sure that you've got that figured out. 77 was the high today. We've been stuck between 70 and 77 all day because of, number one, the clouds, number two, the humidity. 78, the temperature now. Wouldn't you know it? We've gained 1 degree. Make a fool out of me. So 77, no longer the high today. 78 is the high today with winds out of the south at 12. Pollen count. Poplar, hackberry, grass, those are moderate and fungus is low. There are the cloudy skies in Texas. Izzy, pay close attention here because this is where you'll see your chance for thunderstorms. Tonight is relatively quiet. It's very late overnight into early tomorrow morning when we see our first chance for thunderstorms. Some of those could be severe. So this is 3 a.m. from Graham up to Wichita Falls. And then look, as we get into 6 to 8 o'clock in the morning, the Dallas-Fort Worth area, a good scattering of thunderstorms. Some of those could be strong to severe with the number one concern being large hail, the number two concern being damaging wind gust. That again, 8 o'clock in the morning. A lot of the rain by midday will be in East Texas. So we'll get most of Friday actually looks rather dry. The farther east you go from those thunderstorms where they develop out west, the lower the risk gets. That's why it's a level 1 marginal risk for overnight into early Friday morning for the Metroplex. A level 2 slight risk from Gainesville down to Eastland. The higher threat for severe weather with up to tennis ball size hail is out towards Seymour and Archer City. Now we get into Friday afternoon. If the atmosphere can recover, which right now that looks like a low chance, we may pop up another thunderstorm or two late Friday afternoon into Friday evening, but I suspect most of the rest of Friday will be dry. Then we get into round number 2. Scattered thunderstorms will develop late Saturday morning west of the Metroplex into Saturday afternoon, and some of those could be severe. But again, let me go back here and just show you there's a level 2 slight risk in place for Friday. That's mainly for the morning storms and possible redevelopment in the afternoon. Now on Saturday, this is 8 a.m., we start off mostly dry. Scattered thunderstorms will start to develop. By the time we get to 12 p.m. to 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we'll start to see some strong to severe thunderstorms, mainly west of the Metroplex. That's 3. So if you have afternoon and evening plans Saturday, plan around thunderstorm chances. That's 6 p.m. Some of those will be severe. A secondary round will take shape late Saturday night into early Sunday morning. That will be our most widespread chance for thunderstorms. It will be mainly overnight Saturday into Sunday, and some of those thunderstorms on Saturday will be severe. That's our best chance for severe weather over the next several days. A level 2 slight risk for the Metroplex, level 3 enhanced for up to golf ball size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gust, and an isolated tornado. That level 3 enhanced includes Gainesville, Decatur, down to Graham. Now for Sunday plans, the morning looks rainy with thunderstorms. By the midday to afternoon hours, a lot of the rain is east of the Metroplex. Some of those thunderstorms east of the Metroplex Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening could be severe. So a lot going on over the next few days. Tonight, 70 thunderstorms well after midnight, warm, muggy, and breezy. Tomorrow, 83 with thunderstorms. A few of them possible in the afternoon, but it's mainly in the morning, so plan for that. There's the 14-day forecast. Temperature-wise, there's just not a lot of shifting. We're going to be in the low to mid 80s as we go through the next 14 days with daily chances for thunderstorms. So again, this weekend, guess what? I've also just published a story on WFAA.com, and I break down every single day, hour by hour.